Standard 7 Subject History. Lesson number 5 The Foundation of the Swaraj. In the first half of the 17th century, an inspiring personality emerged in Maharashtra, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He established Swaraj by challenging the unjust ruling powers here. Shivaji Maharaj was born at the Shivneri fort near Junnar in Pune district. On the day of Falgun Vadya Tritiya in the Shaka year 1551, that is on the 19th February 1630. In this chapter, we will study how he founded Swaraj. Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje, the father of Shivaji Maharaj, was a pre-eminent Sardar in the Deccan. The Mughals had launched a campaign to conquer the Nizam Shahi kingdom. The Adil Shah of Vijapur allied with the Mughals in this campaign. Shahaji Maharaj did not wish the Mughals to get entry into the south, so he tried to save Nizam Shahi by offering stiff resistance to the Mughals. But he could not withstand the combined might of the Mughals and the Adil Shah. The Nizam Shahi was defeated and came to an end in 1636 CE. After the Nizam Shahi was wiped out, Shahaji Raje became a Sardar of the Adil Shah of Bijapur. The region comprising Pune, Supe, Indapur and Chakan Parganas, located between the Bhima and Nira rivers, was vested in Shahaji Raje as a Jahagir. This also was continued by the Adil Shah. And he also granted the Jagir of Bengaluru and the neighboring areas in Karnataka to Shahaji Raje. Do you know the Jagir or Jagir means the right to enjoy the revenue of the region? The Sardars in the service of rulers used to get the revenue of the region as income instead of getting salaries directly. The region was chosen in such a way that the revenue would be equal to the salary. Shahaji Raje was valiant, courageous, intelligent and a great political expert. He was an excellent archer. He was also expert in using sword, patta and spear. He loved his subjects. He had won many regions in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. South India was in awe of him. Veer Mata Jijabai. Jijabai was the daughter of the great Sardar Lakhoji Jadhav of Sindakhed Raja in Buldhana district. At a young age, she had received military training as well as education in various subjects. She helped and encouraged Shahaji Maharaj to realize his dream of establishing Swaraj. She was competent, visionary and political expert. She constantly guided Shivaji Maharaj in the mission of establishing Swaraj. At times, she undertook the task of giving verdicts for resolving the problems of people. She was very particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji Maharaj. She instilled in him values like modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage, and fearlessness. She saw that he was trained in the uses of weapons and inspired in him the will to win the dream of the Swaraj. Shivaji's companions and associates. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawal region. The Mawal terrain is full of hills and valleys and is not easily accessible. Mawal Valley in the Sahyadri was a region in the Pune Jagir of Shivaji Maharaj. It is also known as Bada Mawal, Bara Mawal, Pawan Mawal, Hirdas Mawal, Gunjan Mawal, Paud Valley, Muthe Valley, Mose Valley, Kanand Valley, Velvan Valley, Rohid Valley, Andar Mawal, Nane Mawal, Korbarse Mawal. Shivaji Raje made use of these geographical features of Mawal Valley very skillfully for the purpose of the foundation of Swaraj. He created the feeling of affection and trust in the minds of the people. Many companions and associates joined him in the work of founding the Swaraj. Among them were Yesaji Kankar, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narhekar Deshpande brothers, Kavji Kondhalkar, Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusre, Kanoji Jedhe, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, Dadaji Narasprabhu Deshpande. On the strength of these associates, Shivaji Maharaj undertook the cause of the Swaraj. Thank you.